In the world of programming, there are people who break into protected code, crack the locks, and release software for free. But how is this actually done? What was the real story that shocked the cyber police? How did hackers break the world's strongest lock? In this video, we'll dive into the unique and dark world of software cracking. And we'll introduce the legendary, history-making groups. Software cracking methods. Cracking in its simplest form means bypassing the program's protection mechanism. To do this, crackers use tools like OllyDbg, IDA Pro, X64DBG, or Ghidra to find the points where the program checks the lock. Then, by modifying the binary, such as replacing a conditional instruction with NOP or reversing the condition, they execute instructions that ignore the check, meaning the program runs without a license. Developers, in turn, try to counter this with techniques like code obfuscation, encryption, or self-modifying code. Prominent cracking groups. There are several well-known groups that have specialized in this field for years. PARADOX, the old player of the cracking world. This group not only cracked games, but even broke Windows Vista and its complex protection modules. Conspir4CY, CPY, famous for breaking tough locks like de novo. They cracked major games like Resident Evil 7 just a few days after release. The work of these groups isn't just removing the lock. They perform QA to ensure the device isn't damaged and the software remains usable. Now, let's look at two real events. The takedown of forum BreachForums. In June 2025, French and US police arrested several key members of the notorious BreachForums, including Shiny Hunters, Knocked, and Hollow. This site was one of the largest hubs for selling leaked data and cracking tools. Their arrest dealt a major blow to this black market. Advanced macOS cracking techniques. In a recent study, it was revealed that certain macOS software versions, distributed as cracks, were built using dynamic library injection DLL injection combined with obfuscated and anti-debug code. This means the crackers not only broke the program, but also used sophisticated engineering to manipulate the execution process to prevent detection. In the end, software cracking is both an art and a science. 1. Using debuggers and precise tools. 2. By professional groups like PARADOX and CPY. 3. Sometimes with scientific complexity like library injection and anti-debugging. 4. And even with real-life stories like the arrest of BreachForums members. Now my question is, which of these methods do you think is the most dangerous or shocking? Or maybe you have experience with cracking or software security. Write it in the comments so we can talk about it together.